Hi, today we're going to be making Elephant Toothpaste. It's part of our arts and wraps for the 5th grade takeover. So, first of all, to start off Elephant Toothpaste, you're going to need parent supervision. Also, you're going to need these safety goggles. If you have glasses, carefully remove them and take them out of the arts and crafts place.
Okay, so what you're going to need is a 6-ounce plastic bottle, and you're going to need a half a cup of hydrogen peroxide, a tablespoon of dry yeast, 3 tablespoons of warm water, food coloring, 8 drops, dishwashing soap, and safety goggles, like Abby said previously.
So, to start, we add in the 3 tablespoons of water.
Yes. Now you are going to put in the tablespoon of dry yeast. Next, you are going to need to put in dishwashing soap. Then you are going to need to put in the food coloring. And last, you'll put in the hydrogen peroxide. Okay, here it goes.
And there it is.
Elephant toothpaste.
Now to our wraps.
Hi there, we're now going to be singing and rapping. Listen up, moving might be scary. I know how it feels. We are military children and we sing, go through things together. We are brave and unique. We are one in a million. We are brave. The only word to describe us is awesome, brave, kind, and flexible. We must be brave, we must be strong, we must be who we want to be. Military children rock.
Moving on might be scary, but trust me, it's not. You might think you don't know anything, you might think you will fail, but listen up. You are wrong, just give your grade a chance. It might not be bad, it might be fun. Just remember to never give up. So listen up, just remember to never give up. 'Cause moving on might be scary, but trust me, it's not. You might think you will fail, you're wrong. Just give your grade a chance. It might not be bad, just remember to never give up. So listen up, remember to never give up.
Hey, hey, listen up. You might be out of school, but your knowledge doesn't take a break. Hey. You might think that you're dumb, but you're not. Yeah, you're not. Just go read a book and you'll be okay. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. If you're going to be in 5th grade or any, be okay. Our teachers don't play. Hey, 4th grade, listen up. 5th grade may be tough, but don't you give up. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Listen up. Any grade might be tough, but don't you give up. Yeah, don't you give up. Yeah, don't you give up. Slides might be fun, but you won't like the summer slide. It ain't fun. No, it ain't fun. You lose all that you learn, you think that all's away, so you go sit down and play some video games. Well, that's not right. No, that's not right. Instead, you should go read a book for 30 minutes, then go practice some math. Once it's done, I don't care what you do. Do whatever you want, but remember, don't go down that summer slide. Word.